So I'm more about 20 minutes and it's still 3 miles to Puerto Banus and I got a bad foot. It's just under 2 miles, 3.8 miles. Wow. Right, so we just sat there for a bit. We're oddly sick now. 27 miles to Marbella. Oh fuck. No, to Puerto Banus. Just arrived, found my glasses. We'll have a little look around here, eh? I better keep that on ice, mate. That's a good little harbour bit. Full of absolute toffees. Keep it nice and warm, but daddy. That piece of shit here. Fucking Moncler wankers. Surprised they ain't got a hood rich here. Fucking hell. He's never noticed everyone wearing hood rich. Ain't got a fucking pot to piss in. Clearly not allowed in there. I'm just going to pretend you don't know. Just having a little bop with a camera, innit? What are you going to do about it? That one's pretty cool. Pirate ship. Well, that's backfired. I'm going to have to hop the fence. Shit. Hang on. I wonder if it just opens. I own a yacht. Just walking out of a YouTube video. I own a yacht. Hello, mate. I don't think they say that. Oh, there we go. I clearly don't know what I'm doing. Clearly don't know what I'm doing. What's going on? Uh-oh. You're gonna have to hop the fence. I'm literally gonna have to hop the fence. Unless... No. How does the fuck this is happening then? There's a whip coming down. Hang on. Feel like maybe you can get us out. In his Vauxhall. Just open the door, bro. I don't think I should be in here. I just walked in. Sorry, I was just looking at the boats and mild of my own. Thank you, man. After you. Right, that's alright. Voila. Look at him, low. Look at him. Oh, look at me. I'm on a boat. Fair enough. Fair enough. Look at the molds in here. Why did you get a shirt on, bro? Fucking look at this bunch of diplos. God, mate. Fuck me. Fucking water mussels everywhere. Look here, look. Woo. A little bot around this bit. we're having a fiesta. So it's more like a nice place to live here than a holiday. That's how it feels. That's me pal earlier. Gas, we're playing VR in it. VRE? VR? VR. Huh. Oh, the cinema. Huh. Pretty crazy. Cinemas are sick over here. Hey, we had a little walk around Puerto Banus. I'm not sure if I'm going to go out tonight. I can't think of nothing worse than being with them din loads on that boat. But yeah, I think we're going to head back. Something to eat, little chill out. Been a pretty good day. Starting liven up now. Ish. So we've been in Marbella for 2 minutes. Fucking Puerto Banus. I've already worked it out. I've been past 3 Ferraris. It's basically just fucking Mykonos in the city. Full of wankers. Full of fucking ridiculously fit birds that wouldn't even fucking look at you twice unless you're buying them a £40 cocktail. Right? I wouldn't mind living here though. Just so I can come here and smoke banger on the balcony and just wind them all up. Wearing a trackie and a hoodie. Right, so just watched the sunset. It's pretty beautiful down there. I was going to fly the plane down there. I might do it later, tomorrow. But I was going to walk that way because I do barbecues and stuff. But I've got to go and see the old, even though I've been there twice, I've got to go and see the old town at night. So yeah, I'll see you down there.
You know who made it.
Down this little alleyway. Girls are shook.
You know who made it.
Marco! So beautiful there. Pretty cool at night. I get drinks on that. Alright, next morning. Right, so we are here. I've got a bit of a job opportunity, and some big boss man has been trying to get me here for years. And fuck it, might as well go and see him now, won't we? So I'll see you there. Anyway, let's have a look around anyway. I said to matey, well I will be saying to matey, get out of that fucking Ferrari before you get taken out. These little lobs around here think I ain't taking this city. They're very much fucking mistaken.